Hi everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to allow unknown app resources or enable app installation in your device POCO M5. So in POCO M5, if you want to learn how to allow unknown app resources or enable app installation, you gotta follow the steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you're the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this video and you will learn how you can enable app installation or how to allow unknown app resources.